Now the boy was stuck on the moon. What was he to do? So remember, the boy ran out of gas, and so he got stuck on the moon, and he couldn't leave. Example of stuck. My car wheels got stuck in the mud. That means the car cannot move out of the mud. He was stuck on an island with no one. So that means he couldn't leave the island because he was stuck. So what is this? This is a flashlight. He was all alone and afraid, and soon his flashlight began to go out. So an example of flashlight: when the power went out, we used flashlights to see. He put new batteries in his flashlight. So what is this? This is an engine. His engine had broken down. An example of engine: she changed the oil in her engine. He opened the hood of the car to look at his engine. So the engine is in the car or scooter or bus, and it makes the car and the bus go. So it makes them move forward. Gives them the power. Next is flicker. So here the light is flickering, turning off and on and off and on and off again. Driving the ship towards a flicker of light, he landed on the moon with a bump. Example of flicker: the signs outside the store flickered. She flipped the switch on and off, so the light flickered. So what do we think this word is? This is realize. This is when you understand something. But it's like the moment you understand something. As soon as their eyes got used to the dark, they both realized they had met someone else in trouble. So they both understood that they were not monsters. An example of realized: after I got off the bus, I realized I forgot my jacket. He didn't realize how hard it was to learn English until he had been in class a few months. So what word is this? What is the dog in? He is in trouble. Uh-oh. Up in space, someone else was in trouble too. An example: trouble: he was having trouble with his homework. So here, trouble is the same as difficulty. So his homework is hard, so he's having trouble with it. They were rude, so they were always getting into trouble at school. So here, trouble means that they were bad. So they were getting into trouble. So this week, for your homework, you have a worksheet. For the pictures, You can use the words at the top of the worksheet. So those are your vocabulary words. You can match the vocabulary word to the picture. Then there's sentences, and you can use the vocabulary words to fill in the blank part on the sentences. Good luck! Hope to see you guys next week. Bye-bye!